Hey and welcome, and within this video you're going to be setting up your eBay account so you can start selling on the eBay marketplace. Now eBay, as we know, is one of the largest e-commerce marketplace and offers a wide variety of selling opportunity and selling categories. Apart from that, you can also choose to sell on eBay both with fixed and automated auction formatted pricing. No matter the reasons why you decide to sell on eBay, the process is very simple. The step, of course, to getting started selling is to actually create your eBay account and then therefore go ahead, research products and then start creating listings. Now, once your eBay account is set up in accordance with the requirements and the guidelines, you can then actually begin trading. Get started, as we've said before, you can begin with a personal account or you can opt to start an eBay business account if you have a legal entity that is live. It's that pause button if you haven't already decided which one you're going to proceed with, and what we're going to then do is we're going to go through how to create a personal account, and following that we're then going to cover how to create a business account. So let's get started. Depending on where you reside, you may want to set up a .co.uk website, eBay account, which is obviously located in the UK, or you might want to go ahead with the US, so the .com. So make sure that you go to the correct URL for the eBay marketplace that you're obviously looking to sell in to start with. So here you can see we are on the ebay.co.uk marketplace. And to get started with a personal account, once we've landed on the page, what we're then going to do is click the register button here at the top. It gives you two options at the top here. So obviously we're dealing with a personal account within the steps first off. So what you're then going to do is make sure that's selected, and then you can enter your first name, your surname, the email that you wish to have registered, and also create a password. Right now, get that information filled in, and then once you've done that, what you can then do is click the registration button at the bottom. It may send you an email to verify, and you'll need to go ahead, locate that email, click on it, and then go ahead and log in. Now, usually what happens is eBay will send you a security code to the device that you have registered. So that will either be email or going forward it will be your mobile. So when you get to this stage, enter in the code and then click the verify button. If logged in, you'll notice you'll be taken to a dashboard. This on your screen right now. What you'll also notice is in the top left hand section, just above the eBay icon, you'll see your name, and if you then click on the drop down just on the right of your name, it will then show you username underneath your full name, and also there'll be where you can see there a feedback rating. Now your feedback rating will show as 0 because you haven't started selling yet. This is a brand new account, so we'll obviously jump into that in a bit more detail. Now all we need to do now is to then add in our settings, update our information, and then obviously we can then crack on and start researching products for this personal account, and obviously start going ahead, listing them and getting them sold. To go through the process of setting up a business account. So I'm here back on the sign up page for ebay.co.uk. If you're going to sign up to the .com, make sure that you use the .com. Now when you click that register button, you'll then be presented with the create an account page that you can see here. And you can see that I've opted for the business account option at the top. What you're then going to do is enter in your business name. So the legal entity name, or if you're self-employed, you'll add in that name in that business section. You'll also then add in your email address that you want registered to that account, and also add in a password. Select the business location, so where it was formed, and also then sure you read this checkbox. I only want to buy on eBay, I don't want to sell. Now, if you're going to be buying and selling using this business account, you don't want to check it. Once you've left that and decided that you've added everything correctly, checked over it, what you can then do is click that register button. This page, you're going to enter the primary contact information for the business. So this is the title, the first name, any middle name and surname of that individual. Make sure that you add in the correct country and region, the residential address of that primary contact, their nationality and date of birth, And then you also add in the role within the company that that primary contact serves. So here we can see at the bottom, let us know if this person is also one of the following. Are they a company director, and are they a beneficiary owner? So make sure you read through and you check the correct boxes, check all information is correct, and then click the continue button. The next page, you're going to be requested for your bank information in relation to the business. The bank or building society name, the sort code, and also the account number for the business. If you make a mistake, you can click the change bank hyperlink that you can see just below the account number section, and you can make changes to that. Now what you'll need to do is tick the box that you can see below that section to confirm that you're the account holder and you're the sole person required to authorise direct debits on that account. And you've read the information on the right hand side, you can then click the continue button. Page is the review and confirm page. This is the confirmation page where you'll just need to double check that all the information that you've added is accurate before you hit the confirm button. Now one thing to note is if you're adding a legal entity and there is more than one stakeholder than yourself in the business, you'll also need to add the second, third, and however many others that are associated with that business. So for example, in the UK, when we form a limited company, we would do that via the Companies House website, and you should have all of the business and stakeholder information on there that you can then use to obviously update into this page. Once you're happy and you've confirmed everything, scrolling right down to the bottom, what you'll then do, click the confirm button. After which you'll be greeted with an email in your inbox to confirm that that business account has been created. You can then go ahead and log in to your eBay business account, and from there what we'll then be doing is covering off the account settings that you need to update within that account within the next video.